Reuters.
It's the rugged frontier of the American West, boundless beauty, rich in gold. Northeastern Nevada is home to the most abundant gold field in the Western Hemisphere. 20 major gold deposits have already been discovered. Many more are likely. Technology is playing a big part in finding new sites. Steve Grusing is a geologist for Newmont Mining.
So all those drill holes are surveyed for collar as well as downhole surveys, so we know exactly where that mineralization is. We load it all into the computer. We build our shapes around that information in the computer so that when we go out and mine it, we know where it exactly is. We know where the mine has to be.
But it's not just about finding new mines, it's also about making sure the deposits are large enough to be profitable. Mining here at the Carlin property started 20 years ago. It's Newmont's largest open-pit gold mine in North America. Right now it's a mile wide by a mile and a half long and 140 stories deep. Estimates are mining here will continue for another 8 years. But the process isn't just about digging deep into the earth. The gold has to be isolated. The deeper the find, the higher the grade of ore, and the more likely it will require a complex process to separate it out. Think of it as a front-loading washing machine. Joel Lenz runs the process operations for Newmont in Nevada.
We've gone to more complex technologies, treating what we call refractory ores, where the gold is locked in other minerals, and so it's a much more complex and expensive process to liberate the gold so that we can process it and recover it.
A little more than a day after being mined, the gold is milted and poured into molds. Each one weighs about 70 pounds. That makes each bar worth a little less than $1 million at today's prices. But even though gold prices are surging to record highs near $1,000 an ounce, mining companies aren't necessarily raking in record profits.
We're enjoying the benefit of higher gold prices and higher metal prices in general. We've also been through a period of very rapid escalation of energy prices and labor costs.
Add to that environmental and regulatory concerns which make opening new mines more challenging. At the end of the day, when all the gold has been mined, land reclamation has become a big part of the process. The objective? Restoring the American frontier to its original beauty. Ruben Ramirez, Reuters, Carlin, Nevada.